nim said the address so na ye hwe na afa ye nsam ahodo bi ya wokọ eye abefontintan fi di kase no so a ye de agu ho no no na ya boboso e de amaw na mene kwasinsia na ye wo ha sabri se wokọ eye adomonline.com said ya homachi bi sorry din nsam de gu ho no no wokọ abenya bi na wakenkanti ye hwe local no a ene ye stories na gu ha pa na kwasi mache
adwa me joso
na mbombo ko de
boko na so e
efisia pa
afem kometu ye mfie bebre so
nya de wadi hey we di bro nya ma ne ho akire no
ampedu am ya adwuma bro ye obi ampedu
ampedu de enka ne hwe
oh obi ampedu
enka ne hwe
am ye ni bro nya bi
obi anu agesa
oh
enka ne hwe
kromfu ahwemani mu asatima pofo ahwemani mu amahye boa so meba first Adom
superstar
ene se
oda so gina he
obi ampedu adaroma
next time ya busa ampedu ansa na abekọ awako why
obi ampedu de se sheye
oh nyame adom
yede nyame
adom nti ensem ni nie
ensem no no daddy lumba so MTN Ghana momo awards so a
ai egum
Niger Gazy is a joke
31st one night wo ho
yes we da ta ka obi ma ya
necessary
joke kura
Assemblies of God ye sofo na
be Assemblies of God so for na
Niger Gazy
is so for de be dia ni director pacho bi ma na ya hwe joke kura Niger Gazy
no but just say pa na odi agoro do agoro won ani so
na no asum ko ti Assemblies o ba bi say Niger Gazy assemble ko kan say possible say bebem the head pastor of Assemblies of God Christian Center in Kumasi Reverend Osei Kakari Ano has cautioned the founder of the Prophetic Hill Chapel, Niger Gazy, to stop prophesying. This comes after Niger Gazy released some prophecies about what will hit the world in 2023 at his Watch Night service on 31st December 2022. But some of his prophecies include a change of the Inspector General of Police in the Republic of Yempenekware in 2023.
Yempeno kwara ne o man be ya
yes o man bi o
friend Yempeno kwara an hwe ya o mo IGP etc ga mampanyini be sesa no anka ga na o se Yempeno
kwara Republic a plot to kill a former Arsenal star of Togolese nationality among others. The overseer also always comes out with prophecies on December 31. Among these is a prophecy about a terror attack in the Republic of Umofia. That was last year 2022 But according to Reverend Osei Ano, the majority of these prophecies do not materialize. Speaking on Prime Morning with KMJ, the royal host on Monday, the head pastor stated that Prophet Niger Gazy is causing embarrassment to the prophetic ministry with its false prophecies. Quote, it is high time we caution that young man. That young man should stop what he is doing because he's actually making a shame and joking with the whole issue of prophecy. He's not doing anything right and shouldn't call himself a national prophet because he's disgracing himself and the prophetic ministry. That guy is a joke. He said, okay,
na fra say ye Umofia afia ye
Yempenekware Republic
na Umofia na no ane Yempenekware na say Yempenekware ne ye
the beams ebe countries me no ebe countries me Umofia ne last year country and
Yempenekware this year
country and we so Reverend Osei Kakari so na can say
you fonyi eda hono no Christian Center Assemblies of God e wo Kumasi okay
enti yemko ejeje say Papa ne joke dia.
My friend who say we national prophet. Or my be a prophet. Say I say ne wo mo na e wo mo ni ye ni bi.
Omo afa nyu mo.
And we there. Or say Christians must support construction of National Cathedral. State has done enough. Executive Director.
Yeah.
I say o mine anasa aban no aye bebre.
Yeah.
Nti Christopher a mo so nyame no.
Yeah.
Mo so mo homoden. Na mo nso mafa mu de mo nye. Na National Cathedral no entumi emesi ho said the mampanyini ehye bono ebi ne no COVID-19 benefo chema ye say man home ne so
yeah
ehun say mask wearing no asa start man for the do no afra so mo hye mask
China whether ne so kra ka ho because whether we ne wo no odin
bebre hwene mu sone nsuo whether no on say penidru say ya na no China for say wo mo ayi so no a edadwade ho nsem so ne fo
on the 8th December
mo beyi o ma ye ho hye
what China enya de keto
obi ani age na wa hyede mo a afede ye ja wo kakra
China so numbers ne so e kosro kakra
na e kosro
na good for ka say ye bie ya e ma adwadefo akọ ye mfa nhye ngu akwam se na be ya ye kọ na ye kọ no ye sa akọtwe yade ne sa mfa ma ye mem media adwase kaminya ya eni kwa so bia na ma no kwa ma ne ko China
nene kra no ye se wiase dane
yeah
yetimi tena ha me metimi atena ha
yeah
asoma me afantare free take abre me mama hye se me mpesa e bia on say ye hye Ghana we all right but once in a while broni de na hye mi
obehye
mete ha na mato nkra wo take na ye free ho no mabre me meto nkra wo US na ye free ho no mabre me enti ka hu nkra nhia se de yade na ye ne be kwa ansa na ye ne ma ye hia no
Ghana ni dwade ni be ka to se nipa anim se kro chiamansa so hu manim wo bete so ama me timi ame ko mu a ne bua be ba fom necessary yare no e de abam ti de ke yempe nipa kakra bi na de nipa na apese okra ne ma de free wonom no ene no negotiate na agitum se atari a ehye anochiwa bai me to free China meto no $100 eti nipa na wo ko akofa ne ma de abro se $100 na nipa na agree okwa no akofa e de abro ni abeche de mo bi yense pia so obia anko na
baby asia mbako ba ko be ba
no yes yanhwe be yasem ko kakra kura ba ye kura no ebedi yenya kakra ya ebetun ye kwantimfin ebedi yenyene sasa kope ye kotwe ni asa kan so debate ya
besi na business is being to me empage nyina wona so bi adjumaifo bi mu da so tifi covid yenti and said ye de covid share 2020 2021 2022 ase no ye mpese 2023 yade ye ti se be sa ba o mamu ti ye Ghana Health Service for said ye guta for eje mo adwenkyere ne mo hyehyeye no mamo na mamo to wa no wa nan kyerɛkyerɛ bra no na se updating so mampanye be se frase no de update no amaye ne ahwe hyehyeye o maye so a enka ye ni ebeje we Mr. Dache me enhwe
Ghana boxing champion na
poultry farmer Dache Mr. me enhwe we san se ho hia we de aka ne news ne bokura Ghana mampanye na donate 100,000 amaye National Cathedral nti we yenhwe box akro na afi ye ni ho enkomo
okay but you go through kakra
Francis Ampofo
okay
Francis Ampofo.
The road to the ring is really a straightforward one for boxers, while the path that leads away can often be perilous. Francis Ampofo is a man who fought his way from the streets of London, where he moved as a child from Ghana, to the top of British boxing in the 1990s, yet the canvas was not to be his only source of glory. After stepping out of the ring, he took on the world of business in 2003 with the purchase of a 26-acre farm in Norfolk with 10,000 chickens, and not to his own early life running free in Kumasi. Okay. As a quote, I always loved chickens, Ampa, Ufri UK. From back in Ghana, Ampa 55 told BBC Sport Africa, as soon as I came here to the farm, I knew this is it. Boxing is over. I want to get into chickens now. Twice holding both the British and Commonwealth flyweight titles, Ampa also challenged for the world title on 4 occasions. The first coming when losing to South Africa, Baby Jake Matala for the WBO title at London's York Hall in 1994. In a 12-year career, Ampofo won 17 of 28 professional bouts, but after retiring in 2002, he returned to something far closer to his heart. I was born in Ashtown, Kumasi, which is right in Ashanti region. He explained, I didn't really know my mom that well because she came here to England when I was 3. She came to work in the National Health Service, and then I was looked after by my grandmother for another 3 years. And that's where reality started working. I was selling mangoes, oranges, so she would peel them all, put them in a bowl that I would carry on my head and go around selling them, then go back for more.
Let's say, Abrabon enough for more. Baby, I will free. Ashton while mammy won. Yes. When you and fear me and mammy Jan who took quine. Yes. One in another tear into a tom mango, and a anchor to an ananisi who one or the aquachi maba. And then Yamay Adom would to copy mu a breachy memo. Coboya box in a Jumanoa 12 years Munia was on no pacoco. Yes. Or Ria Coco Macoco soon. Or more remote don't pen across rest up many for the beer. It is a bit my we are cocoon said your pen and a comma so decree you antino. Or the boxing in a obey me at all. We are in the same cocoa and which I say, Quia is not a case. Oh, yeah. The baby major be a cassette. some mentality ni free schools mu right from SHS ofom pe ne cha drama enti abema na abaya bi enyina onim se kuayo punishment and na wonsam be de ne kwa de machines bebre aba scaffold bebre mo dada mo e no musika dofuo ma wo mo ukodo mi dwom malata dwom ne adi ntos ne mekwa begu aye ka kire osa asomase afuom ene ekofa free ya wunyini tintra se nya ho mama badada ba se wo de wonsa nhia se kan wudo enyeye bebi akwa bedu bi anso wosika bum bi atim de sekua yo na John Dumelo yes tenu ya be ma Dumelo ene John Dumelo wasa ase ne wodua mbere ase wodi agro oye enwa ase wodi agro bi aje ne akadro bayira na nsan wotuye bayire
asa agudie
so kuya no
only say kuya no enye for adwuma
oh no it's not meant for the faint hearted
me ya na meka ya na manfo adwuma so yes o ene koye kuya na form
so wo do didi a enye problem
different
say
so koye kuya expensive
no omo be water so am akura say na form
my joy online akufo donate 100,000 for continuation of National Cathedral and
I was sad iska kwaka ho so mo fa nwie National Cathedral na me na me 100 Ghana a month no how far
me metua baako
na 1 month per wetua
me metua biem
me metua 40 no
say president the second time wetua bi ni
so no need any modu
and second time wetua bi ni who be how many times I metua
the only president go competition so we try 100 so we try 100,000 okay
send to a president no
okay
ontua life ontua water ontua rent
you
ontua school fees
on top petrol okay
odadam kwa
okay costume so kora
costume so free
onso toni nyina
bibia ye free on kwa dem kra no to the extent kra se nipa kro be sa akoto ne ma we nyina asade aman kra sa kra twa neka dem say cost kra 100,000
okay
best protection against COVID-19 is vaccination. Ghana Health Service Director General. Yes, and the
necessary. Very necessary.
Was my booster.
Booster no for twetwe.
Yes. It is because especially say obi a wa Johnson & Johnson no. Say or Sputnik. Any others now be wo 22 na sana be wo booster. Ya na adding to be honest. Omo mo 22 ne de adwa men kan na.
Me wo 2.
Adding. She so wo ba kunu we na sapa te se ade be tia mo sa akwa ko obi mu a adding. Timi dem you fortunate and me nya Johnson.
And they say no one shot.
Na me war yen. Ti me booster na me call war Sputnik.
But the funny thing they say me war Sputnik no.
Okay.
First dose no and I bore me.
Yeah.
And then me DCT pa ye bi ni mani so ne then me want be 10. A free be one whole corner till the next morning.
Okay.
Ahwohie ased wako ayi we impane na ahwohie gina me so sa ma de chenye. But me war second one no I didn't feel anything.
Oh okay.
Me Philip ma nyare ma nyehye. To our first one asa akwanya ba hospital bi e ben obi ano say omo ye ne bi akwa omo se aduro no tia no ana asai ti etimeje o contact omo jeje contact abo mo ano e bi amudu 10 na ya frem abadako na etia no ana ya wo mu nyina apreko na moko nti me show hospital ana clinic bi e ben obi anto ana mo me ne obi enu bambo nti na ama abase ka sika mpanifo de akofa sa nro ya ba e me ma ne nsai yesrem oda obi anwo no omo ne ho ban na yade no se be say ni timpo a which enye no ne yepe enye den se na ano de no eno ne yehwe ni monti say the director general aka na Patrick Kumaboaje aka na say o de na me de
fuel price drop by 8%. Yes nyadura is a sale 1411 Ghana cedis super 11 Ghana cedis na this is near 14
it depend ayikro
oh say
Zen 1170 1160
yeah
go 1240
1240 ebi mu so e de aba form kakra ya enti dudu na e se de aba form na ye hwe me se betimi ayete single digit because still baby e wo no from 23 Ghana cedis diesel to 14 Ghana cedis
se fu ono kra kokodu 18 point something e betimi aka so mate so be 6 cedis per liter enti eni da so
yes ebetimi asa single digit no yam say we dey account wasem nada New Year revelers trooping for Love FM family party in the park na me hwe bi
na kama
Facebook
na me yasemi ni kumase kam de me man koy
University of Ghana justifies current academic facility user fees e patcho still and ye ne mo nya adwen still
omo agree by the machebe Ghana
15%
increment
45 50%
no justification
enya de ketua
no justification
obi ama prepare me school fees 2,300 Ghana cedis ebra so say adwoa ebe kwa akotwe se 3,200
so kwaji loan 1,000 ka ho enough for more
enough ti ebe sere omo ada ebe for say 15% yenye ni 15% ahokyere na aba school ni so no the same ahokyere na aba di so ne awofo ne so ti esere mo ni enim say ye prepare 2,300 Ghana cedis de aba abetwa ya ye calculation nyina ofie 3,200 esere mo ada anodin
is a top up credit e be 4,000 plus
anodin
almost 5,000
munya obi bi fama yen munya obi fama yen Kotoka International Airport revises COVID-19 guideline following concerns of spike in China. Okay, and it's not bad.
Necessary because yeah kwa kia hwa na yebefa.
Sure.
Yeah ba kia hwa na yebefa.
Se wana yare ni nyina free buy.
Wana yare ni nyina free buy. Na omo ana ye testing yeah ho asem buy.
Frontiers for.
Ambasa akwa.
Dey ambasa akwa.
Omo wo ho ana omo free ho.
So dey ambasa akwa.
Ambasa
na dey.
Nti omo say bejeje dollars no.
Sa no bejeje adwo. Se wi ase de.
Obi dwan ya wo no obi nkwan so.
Ana me catch robi. Ese to da bia de entie ma ye mu bi etie prophecies no. Adwo bua so businessman be no the prophecies they agro. Whether coming from a pastor, whether coming from a fetish, whether coming from a Buddhist.
Wonam kwa na se bi usia bodani no ka che se maame na adwuma ma ukohwe ho ye no wa no mo bi nsu.
You see, I'm telling you say omo ye business inclined pa no mo take advantage of COVID-19 we no. It is not because omo to one beto omo kwantin feel. They heard about it some years back. And omo boabo omo no omo dis year before that be ready no. Because say kwame the first so nya nose mask.
And the face shield the morning.
Say omo prepare that ho ade no blank card na da ho ya prepare in the year 2023. Say in the besie. For example, we be to say technology. And kofobi dwe some years back.
Oh.
As a time will come where technology be take over if we are say. Eti dia no mo so ye dia mo mo. E no mo sha say to mo ne men to mo to mo ne ma yie no. Adwo no mo di so de o.
Na reta ma sim card buy na 2400 Ghana yi. MTN chip ne 24 million yi. Ni enim say asa ni enim say WhatsApp phone bi beba.
Yes.
E beto data.
Yes.
Na for mo ye data ho plan. Te say what we are saying na what we got say on use data.
Say one when you anko dem be so ehunu because afuwe prophecies be brabem. Prophets ni be actually the kind of businesses are a bit thriving. And fair ni agro. Invest in it. Invest in it. Tie business environment no. Among for business air thriving say and I make catch the lady be buana say obetimi akọ ni school and no say opeso ye law and to be honest if you than the last time friend catch and say law and yes be here for course
the na ha
bisa say mama
be the crank for almost 30,000
for any fa lawyer say what Ghana mu about 60-70% our businesses about 60-70% our one personal business. Yeah, run the more. And your law no per se, and a more musica. What is me? A bit nip trosso. Baby, be a bit to me, a man said to me, a quano and tent to watch the wood scrap so your law, what me a necessary. Yet challenge can see a do a young yannick or Mamus a CA, yes, say. And yes, a human woe. But we have a lot of art students who you ma anyhow. Baby, we are saying, baby, do no. Science if one edi mu de. Omo ye technology. Technology. Phone edi mu de. It is all ba no okọ school a. Also nya botre co teacher for the chain. Dear na ekọ so at this time. The next best 5-10 years. If we are saying say make kwa say. E be move from technology. E move from technology a ekọ infa. So start preparing woman to that level. Etimon ti ukọ school be more students na do so. Because you feel say NF4 the first NF1 tell say na about wonte banya adwuma etina ma Ghana yesu bebre say nyuma ni wono. I'm telling you abide nyuma bebre beba but because say as students no adults na be be wi ase konede aban ko fa adwuma ba aban fa adwuma ma say be enfan for so bebre embre your bayo
technology.
How well are we preparing ourselves as a nation for the technological age na woman no say ye ku ye nim ye nso betimi a prepare on say ye won krofo ya prepare on say technology no emu baako yesu etumienu emu baako yesu etumienu emu baako yesu etumienu kakra se ne dia kwakodo ne akogina say oh ma ye social science ma ye me nka say ne o ye na nye but me say baby a se ko ne move from social science ne ade no eti prepare oba no for that ese me ba we in the next 10 years technology no age na mu for the next 10 years ya me be dim fie say se betimi apepe na na meti up se be your tell me kwa no ma wie school e ba na to
liability very necessary ebusia ye gina so na fe said ye de yensem ahodo egu my joy online na fe Adom online no ye de ni nyina esi wonim say agokansie mu nsem be to aso wi a na wo so hunu say fisem be bansa na pensem abaka say wo hia me abefre me anoche wa ba adwa se wa mene akwasinsia he ne de brewo enti ye dan ye ho aba ye ba de aka tire no ene do so nko ba bia